Did you know that 65 of Americans don't even have a basic budget? It's shocking, right? But don't worry, because today we're going to change that. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more money saving tips. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you feel like your money just disappears without a trace? Well, you're not alone. Millions of Americans struggle with managing their finances, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we're going to dive into 5 easy budgeting tips that every American should know. These tips are so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't been doing them all along. But before we get started, I want you to take a moment and think about your current financial situation. Are you stressed about money? Do you feel like you're always one unexpected expense away from disaster? It's a scary feeling, isn't it? But I promise you, by the end of this video, you Lions have the tools you need to take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future. Alright, let's jump into our first tip: track your spending. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people have no idea where their money is actually going. Start by keeping a record of every single purchase you make for a month. Yes, even that $3 coffee counts. You can use a simple notebook or download a budgeting app to make it easier. At the end of the month, you'll have a clear picture of your spending habits, and I guarantee you'll be shocked by some of the results. Now, on to tip number 2. Create a realistic budget. Notice I said realistic. There's no point in setting a budget that's so strict you'll never stick to it. Look at your spending from the previous month and categorize your expenses. Essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries should be your top priority. Then allocate funds for savings and debt repayment. Whatever's left can go towards discretionary spending like entertainment or eating out. Remember, a budget isn't meant to restrict you. It's a tool to help you make informed decisions about your money. Our third tip is one that many people overlook: set financial goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose motivation when it comes to budgeting. Maybe you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off your student loans, or build an emergency fund. Whatever your goals are, write them down and make them specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save more," try, "I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund by the end of the year." Having concrete goals will give you something to work towards and make budgeting feel more purposeful. Tip number 4 is a game changer. Automate your savings. Let's face it, willpower isn't always reliable when it comes to saving money. That's where automation comes in. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. Start with a small amount if you need to. Even $20 a week adds up to over $1,000 in a year. As you get more comfortable with your budget, you can increase the amount. The beauty of this method is that you're saving money before you even have a chance to spend it. And finally, our 5th tip: review and adjust regularly. Your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes, and your budget should change with it. Maybe you got a raise, or your rent increased. Perhaps you paid off a debt and now have extra money each month. Set aside time each month to review your budget and make adjustments as needed. This regular check-in will help you stay on track and ensure your budget continues to work for you. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but I'm terrible with numbers, or I don't have time to track every penny I spend. I hear you, and I want you to know that it's okay to start small. Even implementing just one of these tips can make a huge difference in your financial life. And as you get more comfortable, you can gradually incorporate the others. Remember, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself or never having fun. It's about making conscious choices with your money so that you can live the life you want. It's about knowing that you're in control of your finances, not the other way around. Think about how it would feel to have a solid emergency fund, to be making progress on your debt, or to be saving for that dream vacation. That peace of mind is priceless, and it's absolutely within your reach. I want to share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was in a pretty tough financial spot. I was living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about money, and felt like I was drowning in debt. But then I started implementing these exact tips we've talked about today. It wasn't always easy, and there were definitely some bumps along the way. But slowly but surely, things started to turn around. I paid off my credit card debt, built up an emergency fund, and even started saving for retirement. And let me tell you, the feeling of financial security is incredible. Now, I'm not saying this to brag. I'm sharing this because I want you to know that if I can do it, you absolutely can too. It doesn't matter where you're starting from or how much you earn. These tips can work for anyone who's willing to put in the effort. So let us do a quick recap of our 5 easy budgeting tips. 1. Which of these tips are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've already tried some of these, share your experience. Your story might be just what someone else needs to hear to get started on their own financial journey. Before we wrap up, I want to challenge you to take action right now. Open up your phone or grab a piece of paper and write down one financial goal you want to achieve. It doesn't have to be big, maybe it's saving $100 this month or cutting back on eating out. Whatever it is, write it down and commit to working towards it. Remember, every financial journey starts with a single step. And by watching this video, you've already taken that first step. You're arming yourself with knowledge, and that's incredibly powerful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into creative ways to cut expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. So you definitely don't want to miss that. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you've got this. Your financial future is in your hands, and I believe in you. Until next time, take care and happy budgeting.